Big process challenges causing big headaches? Here at IPC Technology Solutions, we believe no process challenge is too big to overcome. IPC Technology Solutions is a program that helps electronics manufacturing service providers and suppliers tackle increasingly complex operations and manufacturing challenges head-on. We work with you to streamline your operations, resolve process pain points, and improve your bottom line. We help companies overcome challenges in production and assembly processes. Our in-depth research and subject matter expertise allow us to find customized solutions to process challenges that save your company time and money. To start, we take the time to really learn about the issue at hand. If we believe we can help, we review your data and research appropriate IPC standards. Then we do an on-site visit to see the problem firsthand, studying the current process and gathering feedback from employees and customers. We look to our IPC standards and team of subject matter experts to identify the root cause of the issue and find a solution that works. We then create a confidential report with our findings and recommendations. But we don't stop there. We work with you and your employees or customers to implement the solution, because we don't just want to fix the problem, we want to prevent it from ever happening again. We want to know that IPC Technology Solutions truly corrected your process issue. That's why we check in a few months down the road to make sure our solutions are still working for you. If you want to enhance your operations, solve supplier challenges, and improve your bottom line, contact one of our Technology Solutions experts today.